As you see in the title, today I will show you how to set up a TransferWise account. TransferWise is a US account that provides you with several multi-currency accounts. You can receive money from PayPal, CashApp, Zelle, and many other point of services. To get started, go ahead and click register. Once you click register, go ahead and set up your email address. Go ahead and click continue. What kind of account would you like to open today? Go ahead and click personal account. Next step is to choose your country of residence. This is available to every country worldwide. So just honestly choose your country. Alright, go ahead and add your contact number and click send code. The next, create your password. Once you have created the password, allow the app to sign up. Alright, what would you like to do now? With transferwise or wise, you can send money abroad to international accounts, and also you can request and receive payments from the same international countries or worldwide. So to get started, you can simply click send money abroad or any of the first options. As I said earlier, TransferWise gives you access to multi-currencies and absolutely great low-cost transfer fees. Alright, you can X this option. Alright, once you're in the account now and you want to send money to your local bank account, say for example you have a Bank of America account or a local account. Locally I have a Scotiabank account. Say for instance you get some money and transferwise, you can just link your account. Alright, once you have signed up, you can go ahead and open an account. Get started with currency accounts. Click yes, go. Choose the account that you would like to open. So I would like to open a US account, so click continue. In order to get access to the US account, go ahead and fill in your legal information. Ensure that this is accurate, as TransferWise will use your national verification. So go ahead and ensure that this is legit, guys. Because once you have completed that, go ahead and click save. Okay guys, so once you have verified your information with providing your accurate details, the next step is to get your account details so you can receive money from overseas account, or for example CashApp. So you want to get that account details, that routing number and account number. So go ahead and click USD, click receive, get account details. Getting account details from Wise, you get paid in 9 different currencies. You receive transfers from salary or pensions. You can pay bills via debit or credit card. You can connect with services like Stripe. Go ahead and click continue. Alright, in order to get your US dollars account details, you will get the following account details: wire routing number, bank code, SWIFT code, routing number, and or account number. In order to get the details, all you would need to do is deposit $20 and verify your identity. This will take within 24 hours. Once you have deposited the $20, you will then be able to withdraw the $20 as it is a fee to start your account with. And you can use any identification once it is provided by your country. An international identification you'll be able to complete, and then to start, go ahead and click make a deposit. Choose your currency. So obviously we'll choose US dollars and go ahead and click continue. The next step is to go ahead and add your payment information, so you can pay using Apple Pay and several other point of sales. I'm going to use credit card. Alright guys, once you go ahead and enter your card information, click pay and await 24 hours for your account to be verified, where you will be able to get your routing number and account details. Alright guys, it has been 24 hours and I have gained access to my account. So I'm going to show you guys how to see your account details. So first thing, go ahead and click account details. Next thing, you want to choose the currency that you would like the account details for. So I'm using CashApp, so I'm going to choose US dollars. Next step is just to scroll down like this and you should see all your account information. And when you use your account information, income payments will take 2 to 3 working days before the payment is added to your account. Alright, so you can go ahead and copy this information and use it for receiving money using this account. If you want to learn how to add your local bank account to cash out from Wise, go ahead and click the link in the description and I will show you how to do that. Again guys, thanks for watching and please remember to like, share and subscribe.